Shade. Shade. All the girls that's here for the truth, come put both hands on a DJ booth then. All the girls that's here for the truth, come put both hands on a DJ booth then. Wind your waist to the big man sound, and I get too stiff cause I think too round. Good morning, welcome back to the vlog. I have not picked you guys up since last Friday when we went to go on a walk with my sisters. It is currently 10:35. We are getting up and out of the house. It is Sunday. I have been working. I have been in my bag. I have been in grind mode. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? So last week I ended up picking up a 12-hour shift. Yesterday I picked up a 8.5-hour shift, and I was supposed to have yesterday off. Today is Sunday. I think I just said that. I don't know if I said that already, but today is Sunday. I was supposed to have yesterday off, and now I have to do all of the things that I need to do in just 24 hours. Less than that, because like I said, it's 10:35 now and I'm just now getting up, but your girl is tired. I've been working. I've been trying to save my money. I've been trying to run up a bag real quick, okay? But yeah, anyways, I have some plans for today. I need to go to Office Depot to get me a new SD card because the one that I bought in Florida does not work well with my camera. My camera lags so much and I'm so tired of it, honestly. And then the one that I have from Sony that my camera originally came with is only gives me an hour. And girl, that's not enough. I need 4 hours, okay? So I'm going to go to Office Depot. They open at 11 to get a SD card. I'm going to get me a coffee, a well-deserved coffee, because like I said, your girl has been grinding. So I deserve a coffee, okay? And then also, what else we need to do? It's Sunday, so you guys know, clean out the car. We know. So yeah, we're going to clean out the car. Surprisingly, she's not that bad. It's just mostly like a lot of toys in here. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'm going to go home and get my video done. I am like halfway through my vlog, and I feel like she'll be done if I at least get home by like 1 o'clock. Spend like 1 to 5 on the rest of my video, and then relax like 5 until bedtime because I have to get up and go to work tomorrow again. I think that should be good. So yeah, let's go ahead and run these errands together. Happy Sunday. I really wanted to do like a hygiene shopping video today. There's so many things that I want to go get. There's so many things that I wanted to get in the last video that I didn't get. And now I'm just like, ooh, girl, I'm running out of some things. Like, we should go get things. But also I'm like, girl, I don't want to spend my whole day, because hygiene shopping vlogs usually take me at least like 3 to 4 hours of my day. Not even kidding. And I don't want to spend my last day off doing that. I want to be productive in other ways. So I might just do a hygiene shopping vlog maybe later tonight or some point this week. So anyways, yes, come along with me. Let's go get these errands done, girl. Get up. Let's go. We have things to do. It is Sunday. Do your Sunday reset. Do your skincare. Get your hair together. Put yourself together. And let's get up and get these things done. Let's go. We got our coffee. And who is she? Why is she getting hot coffee? Like, let me know in the comments. Are you guys an iced coffee girl or a hot coffee girl? Because I'm usually iced coffee girl all year round. Winter, spring, summer, iced coffee, bring it to me. But today we needed us a little hot coffee. I've noticed that when I have a headache, hot coffee helps my head. I don't know what the physics is behind it, but get you a hot coffee if you have a headache. My grandma always used to tell me, if you have a migraine, if you have a headache, drink you some hot coffee. Maybe even hot tea will work as well. But yeah, we got us a hot coffee today. Like, who is she? Who is this girl? But yeah, we got our coffee. We're about to go ahead and head over to the car wash place, and get this car vacuumed out. Surprisingly, like I said, she's not that bad. There's just crumbs on the floor, stuff I need to throw away. Anaya's toys are all packed up in one bag right now, so those are fine. But yeah, let's go ahead and head over to the car place and then go get our SD card. finished cleaning out the car. She's all clean. Also, do you guys have a car name for your car? Because my car's name is Bessie. Don't ask me why. It's just always been Bessie. My old car was the same kind of car I have, but a different version. Does that make sense? So I had a Chevy before this. It was a Chevy Equinox. Now I have a Chevy Trailblazer. And I just tell everyone, like, Bessie got a BBL. She got a whole BBL. She got her body done. So
Bessie unlocked.
So yeah. But yes, my car's name is Bessie. She's all clean. I do want to go get some more plugins because all of the little plugins I have are like empty, and I need some wipes to wipe down the car. I need, what else did I want to grab? Yeah, basically just some plugins and some wipes to just wipe down everything else in the car. So we might go to a store to find that type of stuff, but we are headed to grab gas because I need to get gas. And then yeah, we'll probably go to Home Depot and then a store over there to try to see if they have some plugins or anything that I can get, because she needs to smell good. She looks good, she needs to smell good as well. So yeah, anyways, we're going to get gas, so that's what we're doing now. Okay, so we got gas, and tell me why gas was $30 again for me to fill up my tank. Like, that's how you know you're growing, when you get excited when gas prices are back to normal, because it used to be $45 with the gas prices going up, and now it's back to $30 again. Like, I also did this little savings deal through Speedway so I can get like 33 cents off a gallon. But we are at Office Depot, about to go get us a little SD card, so yeah.
What are they from? The Krusty Krab.
These are cute.
Mommy, these were from the Krusty Krab. Oh, there's a fidget one. Mommy, there's a fidget one. But I gotta put these two back to show you. This is the fidget one.
Are these erasers?
I think. Mommy, look at the fidget one.
These are cute.
I got the fidgets. I got a fidget one. Come here.
Easy.
I want to spin it up. Oh.
Okay, I think I'm gonna get this one. $44.99. I was gonna get this one, but $70 is crazy for an SD card. And I think I have this one at home and it gives me like 4 hours, so I think we're gonna do this one. This is so cute. And why is it pink? Like, I love everything pink. There's 90 pieces in here. $13.99. This is like so perfect. Oh, I feel like I need this. They also have Tide to Go pens, a little flashlight, an alarm. This is so cute. Okay, so we are gonna take a quick stop to Ulta. I do need to find a claw clip, and then they also have some sales. You guys already know, like, ugh. So let's go in here. This one's super cute, but I know it's not gonna be big enough for my hair. My hair is so thick that it barely fits in the claw clips. Like, even this size, no. My girl's thickums, okay? Let's see. They have these ones too, but I've had these before and they're not big enough. You guys tried the Way St. Bart's body mist before? It's a hair and body mist. I've been wanting to try it for the longest, but does it last long? It smells so good, but let me know how you guys feel. So I came in here to try this. I've heard so much about this Redken acidic bonding curls, and you guys know I'm trying to get my hair healthy again and back on track, so I think I'm gonna try her. I still have shampoo and conditioner, so I'm not gonna pick up the shampoo and conditioner yet, but they do have a sale, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try this leave-in conditioner. Look how cute this little shirt is for Anaya. Like, cute. This one's cute too. This one's cute. They have so many sales right now on their winter clothes for kids. This is the time to stock up. These sweaters are so thick and nice, and they were $20 each. They're on sale for $8 each. How could you say no? So I got the pink and the green one for her. And then I'm going to see if they have some pants too. I really want to get her this jacket, but I just don't know what she would wear it with. But yeah, if you guys have kids, stock up now because all their winter stuff is on sale. I know it's summer, but you can use it for the winter time. So yeah. This one's cute too.
She has an idea.
For all those birthdays. There's no spray. That's great.
Okay, so we made it out of the mall. We got a couple of things, but we're going to stop to get some food before we head home. I think it's almost 3 o'clock. Yeah, it's almost 3 o'clock. So I'm going to stop at this place called McAllister's Deli. I've never had it before, and I've heard it was pretty good. So I'm going to get that. Anaya's going to get something else, and then we're going to head home.
It smells like me and my...
I don't think we've ever been in here before.
I'll be longer than that when I'm 7.
Okay, so I got a chicken Caesar wrap and a pecan berry salad. Healthy girl, healthy girl. And now we're about to go get Anaya some lunch and head home. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I haven't talked to you guys in a little second, but we're out doing a hygiene shopping vlog today. And I just wanted to pick up the camera and vlog a little bit. So, hey girl. Hey girl.
Hey!
How y'all doing?
Anyways, look what I found at Target while I was here. They have these flashcards in their addition. And they also have the subtraction ones. I think I'm going to get these for Anaya so that we can practice on our addition and subtraction for her. But they also have the pre-K ones, which are super cool, and they're $5. They also have the first words. I think I'm going to grab these as well. And then they also have all of these like learning and coloring books. So this one's insects. They have so many different things. Look at this. This one is things that go bingo. That's actually super cute. And they have the ocean pears. Oh, this is cute. I think I might get this one. This one's super cute. But this is actually so nice. They have this alphabet practicing wipe clean workbook. Let's see what's in here. So they have this. She pretty much has like all her letters down. And now we're just working on like reading. So I wish let's see what else they have. Also, look how cute this little stand is. Like, are you kidding me? This is literally my dream. Like, this is so cute. Look at this scrunchie. How freaking cute. And the brushes, oh my gosh. They have little combs and brushes and hair ties. Some deodorant. What's this little headband thing? So girly and cutesy. I just love it. They have it on this side too. And they also have like all of the clothes that like match it. Oh, it gives me like Bridgerton vibes. I don't know why. It just gives me like Bridgerton. It's so cute. so I know I haven't talked to you guys in a little minute, but I am going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Look at me ending the vlog, you guys. Like, who does she think she is? But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I do have to be up in the morning to drive 2 hours away to the airport because I'm going to Florida. I did my little nails, and then I also have my little hand chain on. How freaking cute is this hand chain? Like, can we take a moment? I don't know if you guys can actually see it, but she is stunning. I never felt like I needed a hand chain, and now that I have one, I'm like, why did I never have one? Like, I feel like, who is she? Who is she? Like, what? And the press-ons, Shein, girl, look at these press-ons. You're, Shein, baby, Shein, okay? This bracelet is from, or what is this, a hand chain bracelet thing? Yeah. This is from Amazon. It has like little diamonds, like 1, 2, 3 on it. And then my ring, of course, is from She Said Yes. This is one of my favorite rings. So cutesy. And yeah, so anyways, your girl is about to go to bed. I just got done washing my face. She's all glistened up, glowing, and it is time to go to sleep. I have like 3 hours before I have to get up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!